every paragraph needs a summary. Sometimes 2 or more paragraphs together will make an important idea that then needs to be summarized. You will make your own choices about when to summarize based on when there's a really especially important idea that you want to note. So think about this today as you are actively reading the articles that we're going to finish up with. Okay? Think carefully about what you read. Number 1, pay attention to your own understanding. Number 2, as you read, annotate the text to make a record of your thinking. Highlight challenging words and add notes to record questions and make connections to your own experience. That's my favorite part, the connection. Number 3, examine all visual representations carefully. Consider how they go together with the text. And number 4, after you read, discuss what you've read with others to help you to better understand the text. So what you're going to do, you have 2 paragraphs left. You can see this paragraph here underneath where we just wrote our notes. You have a diagram here to look at, and you have another paragraph right down here. So I want you to read and annotate these last 2 paragraphs in Amplify. And you need to pick one of those paragraphs to write a summary note box. So I don't care which one. And if you want to summarize both, then go ahead and summarize both. But we're going to go ahead and you can look at these 2 paragraphs, read them, annotate, and pick one to summarize. After you have done that, you will see in the rest of the Nearpod, there are some questions and there are some directions that you will follow to finish up with your assignment today.